Hattie, I'm going to make a pistol action from my bottle launcher. Built this years ago. Take wires, run them up the barrel. You got two wires right here that'll make a connection. Well, not a connection, they're gapped. And when you hit a piezo, I think that's how it's pronounced, igniter out of a lighter, it'll serve a current, send a current up to these two terminals and ignite in gas or fuel. I don't have a regular bottle handy, but the idea is you put a barrel or a bottle on the end of this, and with that piezo right in here, I should be able to fire this thing. You put a little bit of alcohol in here for the fuel. Of course, the spark ignites it, but we'll be trying that out after I finish it. I don't know if you've seen these piezo, they come out of a regular lighter, but they'll throw a spark. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on video, but it sparks through that gap. Yeah, you probably can't see it, it's so dull. But it shoots a gap back and forth through there. Well, when you hook them in wires, it'll be up in the barrel, and that's the launch. So we'll be seeing you soon, I guess.